Important skill sets of an investment banker. This is lesson 3 of class 1. At a high level, the skill sets necessary for an investment banker are twofold: technical skills and soft skills. Skill set requirements. Investment bankers need to have technical skill proficiencies and soft skill proficiencies to support a wide range of core responsibilities. Technical skill proficiencies support activities such as cash flow modeling, financial valuation, marketing, deal structuring. Soft skill proficiencies support activities such as client management, investment management, and networking. Technical skills. The technical skill proficiencies required for investment bankers include Excel proficiency, PowerPoint proficiency, and baseline financial, accounting, and economic knowledge. Technical skill proficiencies support specific job functions necessary to be a successful investment banker. For example, cash flow modeling. Practitioners are expected to create fully functional and viewer-friendly financial models that easily communicate the client's current and projected financial position. Financial valuation. Practitioners are expected to accurately price deals and assign valuation guidance that supports a fair market transaction. Marketing. Practitioners are expected to position clients within the capital markets in ways that best communicate value proposition. And deal structuring. Practitioners are expected to negotiate deals on behalf of their clients and their shareholders. Soft skills. The soft skill proficiencies required for investment bankers include communication skills, organization and time management skills, public speaking skills, teamwork and leadership skills, selling, marketing, and advertising skills. Soft skill proficiencies support specific job functions necessary to be a successful investment banker. For example, client management. Practitioners are expected to win client mandates, manage client relationships, and execute capital market objectives. Investor management. Practitioners are expected to market client mandates to potential investors, elicit investor interest, and facilitate client-investor communications. Networking. Practitioners are expected to engage in constant networking efforts, building and maintaining relationships with both potential clients and investors. Career progression and skill set requirements. The day-to-day responsibilities change over the course of a practitioner's career. Therefore, the underlying skill sets also change as the banker progresses from a junior position to a senior position. For example, junior bankers need skills that support functions such as deal preparation and process management. Deal preparation requires cash flow modeling, financial valuation, and the creation of marketing materials. Process management requires administrative tasks, auxiliary research, and the facilitation of internal communications. Senior bankers need to possess skills that support functions such as buyer-seller facilitation and deal structuring/deal execution. Buyer-seller facilitation requires the connection of clients to potential investors or buyers, and deal structuring and deal execution requires the management of client and investor expectations to effect an interaction. Thank you for tuning into this lesson, and we look forward to seeing you at the next, which will cover the keys to success in the industry.